But first, the Football World Cup's the biggest sporting event on the planet, and it's taking place in Brazil right now. Unfortunately, New Zealand's not there.
New Zealand failed to qualify this time around, but as Karima Fai'ai reports, they have their sights firmly set on the next one with an exciting bunch of youngsters like Samoan Bill Tuiloma.
In again by Nasri.
They call it the beautiful game. Football isn't a word that resonates with many in Aotearoa, but for Samoan boy Bill Tuiloma, it's his life.
I love it, and it's a good sport. It's pretty much the biggest sport in the world, so it's a great sport for me.
A sport he began playing when he was just 3.
The church we went is that's where I started. Put him in and give him not the proper soccer ball, just a bouncing ball, and start giving to him to kick it. And we said he loved to kick the ball.
And it's this talent that's taken him all the way to Europe, becoming the first ever Kiwi to play in the French top division with 9-time League One champions Marseille.
Le français est beaucoup difficile parce que le vocabulaire est difficile.
Space to cross. Ramal can't get there, and Bula can.
It was a dream come true. It's changed me a lot, as a person, as a player. Development there is a lot better. The players there have, more physical, more technically better, and their vision of football is great. My little team, I coach of Sam Burfoot.
So you were a coach from a young age then?
Yeah, coached him at a young age.
So that's where he put him out.
Living so far apart has been tough on the family, but it's also been a blessing.
It's going to France and stay there. But I really very proud for him. You know, son, before you get out from us, go to Christchurch, go to everywhere, and you say to me, you got any money to buy some food in a plane? And I said, I got no money in my pocket, but now you got the money. You help mom and dad. And I say to him, thank you, son.
We had a low budget. I didn't get the things that I wanted. But look now, I've got everything, and I can give back what they've given me. And it's a blessing.
Bill made his debut for the All Whites in their defeat against Mexico last year, and while the side failed to qualify for the World Cup, it was an experience he'll never forget.
It was a tough luck for us to draw them as a qualification match. Definitely a very special moment for me and my family.
It's every young footballer's dream to play at the World Cup, but for now he's focused on perfecting his craft.
I'm still learning, I'm still young. I've got a lot of football lessons I need to do. It's just the blessings for me, I just thank God for the talent He has given me.
Oh, what a great son. And speaking of Samoan footballers, keep an eye out for Tim Cahill, who's starring for Australia at the World Cup.